Hi dear friends, second part of Fast Easy English Grammar. Welcome to you all. Today we discuss about simple present tense. Simple present tense deals with two auxiliary verbs or helping verbs. The two helping verbs or auxiliary verbs in the simple present tense are do and does. Now let's see this helping verb does. The helping verb does indicates singular. Does plus come becomes comes. Come is plural. Comes is singular. Goes. Does plus go is goes. Go is plural. Goes singular. Plays is singular. Plays is equal to does plus play. Does plus dance becomes dances. A singular subject takes a singular verb. Singular subject. What is singular? One. Single is singular. For example, he is a singular subject. He takes a singular verb. For example, he goes. She is a singular verb and the sentence is she goes. So let's make the sentence he goes to school every day or she goes to school every day. Daddy is a singular subject. So we say daddy goes to office at 8 o'clock. Mother cooks food. Dog barks. She goes. He goes. Daddy goes. Mother cooks. Now let's see the negative form of the verb. No form. For example, comes, does not come, or doesn't come. Does not, short form is doesn't. Goes, does not go. It's wrong to say does not goes. It's does not go or doesn't go. Runs, doesn't run or does not run. Plays, doesn't play. Remember, it's wrong to say doesn't plays. When there is does, the verb takes its actual form. Now let's make some negative sentences. For example, he goes to school. The negative sentence is he doesn't go to school. She goes to school. She does not go to school. Mother cooks. Mother does not cook or mother doesn't cook. Dog barks. Dog doesn't bark. Raju plays cricket. Raju doesn't play cricket. Peacock dances well. Peacock doesn't dance well. Teacher teaches lessons. Teacher doesn't teach lessons. It is wrong to say doesn't teaches. Does plus teach is teaches. Now learn how to ask questions in simple present tense. Does he go to school every day? Yes, he goes to school every day. No, he does not go to school every day. Does he go to school every day? Does he play well? Yes, he plays well. Does she beat you? No, she doesn't beat me. These are the examples. Now, question word questions. The question words are where, what, why, when, who, etc. So, let's ask questions in simple present tense using question words or WH words. Where does he go? He goes to school. What does Ramu do? Ramu works in an office. When does she come? She comes in the evening. When does she come? She comes in the evening. Now let's see the other auxiliary verb do. Do is considered as plural. Do plus come is equal to come only. There is no change. The basic form of the verb. Go. Go is equal to do plus go. Play. Do plus play. Do plus run. Run. Now let's see the negative form. Come, do not come, don't come. Go, don't go, or do not go. Play, don't play, or do not play. Run, don't run. Now let's make sentences. I go to school every day. We come to the park daily. They play football daily. Birds fly high in the sky. These are the sentences in simple present tense. In simple present tense, the format of sentence is subject plus verb. For example, I plus go. Subject is I. Verb is go. I go to school every day. We is the subject. Come is the verb. We come to the park daily. They play football. Birds subject. Fly verb. These subjects are plural subject except I. I is a singular subject, but it takes a plural verb only. Listen, I is a singular subject, but it takes always a plural verb. Now let's see the negative sentences. No sentences are negative sentences like I go, I do not go. We come, we do not come. Do not the short form is don't. So, I go, I don't go. We come, we don't come. They play, they don't play, or they do not play. Now, let's see the questions in simple present tense, plural verb. I go to school. You can ask questions. Do you go to school every day? Answer: yes, I go to school every day. Next one, we come to the park or something. Answer: the question is, do you come to the park every day? Birds fly. Question: do birds fly high in the sky? Now we can answer it in this way. Yes, birds fly high in the sky. Now let's make question word questions. We saw the question words like where, when, why, what, which, who, whom, whose, etc. So here we start the question. Where do you go every day? I go to park every day. When do you go to park? We go to park at 5 in the evening. Why do you go to the park? I go to play in the park. Now let's conclude the simple present tense. The formula of simple present tense is subject plus verb 1. Verb 1 means the base form of the verb. Subject he plus verb goes. He subject is singular, so it takes a singular verb. She subject plus goes verb. She goes. Next, I. I is a singular subject, but in the case of I, it takes a plural verb. I has a speciality. I, the pronoun, is always takes a plural verb. So I go. I goes is wrong. We plus verb, we is plural. So it takes a plural verb. Go is a plural verb. We go. That's very easily concluded simple present tense.